TradingView has become one of the top platforms for traders, offering an all-in-one solution for market analysis, charting, and even social trading. Whether you're just starting or are a seasoned professional, TradingView provides something for everyone. It combines powerful tools for charting, real-time data, and a social network of traders, all within an easy-to-use platform. Let's take a closer look at why TradingView is so popular among traders. When you first start using TradingView, you'll immediately notice how user-friendly it is. Unlike other platforms that can feel overwhelming, TradingView's clean and simple interface makes it easy to get started. Everything is organized and customizable, allowing you to adjust your workspace to fit your needs. Whether you prefer a minimalist setup or want a more feature-rich layout, you can arrange your charts, indicators, and watch lists in a way that suits your trading style. Additionally, TradingView's platform is accessible across multiple devices. Whether you're using a laptop, tablet, or phone, you can easily switch between devices without losing your data or settings. This flexibility is ideal for traders who need to stay connected on the go. One of the key features of TradingView is its powerful charting tools. TradingView offers a variety of chart types, from basic candlestick charts to more advanced types like Fibonacci and Renko. For those who rely on technical analysis, the platform provides a wide range of indicators, including moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands, among others. Another great feature is the ability to overlay multiple assets on one chart. This allows you to compare price movements across different instruments, which is especially useful when looking for correlations or trading multiple assets simultaneously. With real-time data, you can stay on top of market movements and make quick decisions. For traders who rely on visual analysis, TradingView also provides a host of drawing tools. You can easily mark up charts with trend lines, support and resistance levels, Fibonacci retracements, and more. These features make it easy to analyze trends and visualize potential entry or exit points. What sets TradingView apart from many other platforms is its social component. TradingView isn't just a place for charting, it's a social network for traders. Users can share their trade ideas, setups, and analysis with others, and you can follow, comment on, or learn from their posts. For beginners, this is particularly helpful. You can follow experienced traders, learn from their analysis, and even get inspiration for your own trades. Engaging with the community can help you stay updated on market trends and discover new trading strategies. For more advanced traders, TradingView provides a great platform for networking, exchanging ideas, and getting feedback on strategies. This social aspect makes it easy to learn from others and stay plugged into a larger trading community. Whether you're seeking advice or sharing your own insights, TradingView fosters an environment of collaboration. TradingView's alert system is another key feature. Traders who can't constantly monitor the markets will appreciate this tool. You can set alerts for a wide range of conditions, such as when a price reaches a certain level, when an indicator triggers a signal, or when there's a trend reversal. These alerts are customizable, and you can choose how to receive them, whether via email, SMS, or push notification on your phone. This flexibility ensures you won't miss important market movements, even if you're not actively watching the charts. Alerts are particularly useful for traders who are busy with other tasks or who trade in different time zones. One of the most convenient features of TradingView is its cloud-based structure. Everything you do on the platform is stored in the cloud, making it accessible from any device. If you're working on your desktop but need to check your trades while on the go, you can easily access your account from your phone or tablet. The cloud system also means you won't have to worry about losing your settings or data if you switch devices. This flexibility is especially valuable for traders who travel often or prefer to trade on their mobile devices. It's the kind of seamless integration that makes trading much more convenient. TradingView offers a free plan with basic features, which is a good starting point for beginner traders. You'll have access to essential charting tools, but you'll face limitations like fewer indicators, fewer chart layouts, and the presence of ads. For traders looking to unlock more advanced features, there are paid plans available. The Pro plan removes ads and increases the number of indicators and chart layouts you can use. If you need more advanced capabilities, like faster data, unlimited alerts, or access to additional tools, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro Plus or Premium plans. While these plans can get pricey, they are well suited for more serious traders who need the extra functionality. However, for casual traders, the free plan might be enough to get started, especially since it offers a solid selection of tools for basic charting and analysis. When it comes to broker integration, TradingView supports a limited number of brokers. While you can link your TradingView account with certain brokers and execute trades directly from the platform, this integration is not as widespread as on some other platforms. If your broker isn't supported, you'll need to trade manually through your broker's platform. For traders interested in automated trading or backtesting strategies, these features are available only through the paid plans. You'll need to upgrade to unlock features like automated trading, which is important for those who want to test their strategies or allow their systems to trade for them. In conclusion, TradingView stands out as a powerful and versatile platform that is well suited for traders of all experience levels. Its intuitive interface, combined with robust charting tools and a vast array of indicators, makes it a go-to choice for those who focus on technical analysis. The ability to share ideas and learn from the community through its social features also adds a valuable layer for traders who thrive on collaboration and shared insights. For traders who need flexibility, TradingView's cloud-based system ensures that you can access your data across multiple devices, whether at home or on the go. The real-time alerts help keep you in tune with the market even when you're not actively watching, which is a huge advantage for busy traders. While TradingView may not offer as much broker integration or complex automation features as other platforms, it still delivers incredible value, especially for traders who are looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly solution. If you're serious about trading, particularly in markets where technical analysis is key, TradingView is definitely worth considering. It's a platform that combines powerful tools, flexibility, and a strong community, making it a top choice for traders who want to stay ahead of the curve.